In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall OneDrive 2026, step by step. We're using the simplest and most reliable method, removing OneDrive through Windows settings. This takes just a couple of minutes and doesn't delete your files stored in the cloud. Uninstalling removes the OneDrive Sync app from your PC and stops it from running in the background. Any files you already have on your computer will remain where they are, and anything in your OneDrive Online stays in your account. Before we start, save your work and make sure OneDrive isn't actively syncing. If you see the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar corner, wait for it to finish any uploads, or just close the app. You might be prompted for administrator permission during the uninstall. Go ahead and allow it. First, open Windows settings. The quickest way is to press Windows plus I on your keyboard. If keyboard shortcuts aren't your style, you can also click the Start button and choose the gear icon for settings. Next, in Settings, open the Apps section. On Windows 11, select Apps and then Installed Apps. On Windows 10, it may be labeled Apps and Features. Both take you to the same place, a list of everything installed on your PC. At the top, there's a search box that makes this easy. Type Microsoft OneDrive into the search box. You should see Microsoft OneDrive appear in the results. Click on it. On Windows 11, you'll likely see a three-dot menu next to the entry. Click that and choose Uninstall. On Windows 10, you'll see an Uninstall button directly below the app name. When Windows asks if you're sure, confirm the uninstall. The removal process is usually quick. If you're asked to allow changes, approve the prompt. Once it's done, the OneDrive icon should disappear from your taskbar area, and File Explorer will no longer sync with your OneDrive cloud storage. If File Explorer still shows a OneDrive shortcut, or if anything seems stuck, a quick restart can help clear out leftover references. That's it. OneDrive has been removed from your PC using the settings method. If you ever want it back, you can reinstall it later from Microsoft's official download page or the Microsoft Store. Your cloud files are still safe in your OneDrive account, and any local OneDrive folder on your computer now behaves like a regular folder you can manage as you normally would. If your device is managed by a workplace or school, note that uninstalling might be restricted by policy, and you may need to contact your administrator. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps, and you'll have OneDrive uninstalled cleanly and confidently in just a few clicks.